My name is Scraps. I have a lot of friends. A lot of friends. Everyone's my friend. Do you want to be my friend? Anyway, since we're friends now, I'd like to show you what I do on a daily basis. Thank you for being my friend. So first off, what I like to do with my friends is go chasing the birds at Virginia Lake. Get out of here, you birds! You birds! Get out of here! Also, I like to look at fine art. I like the finer things in life. You know, the fine ones. You know, I really like fine art. Fine art. Fine art. Oh wait. Look, there's a bird! I also love playing fetch with Dad. I'm really good at it. I also love fine walks with my friend Rue. What's that? Oh yeah, I drive my car. Where do you go in your smart car? I love driving my smart car. Aw yeah. Oh, don't look at the poodle. They see me rolling, they see me playing, oh, they see me in dapple dirty, dapple dirty, dapple, dapple, dapple dirty. Word. That's right. Check me out. My friend Rue likes his head out the window. The finer things. I like enjoying a fine cup of coffee by the river. But the river water's good too. Yep! And also, I really love cartoons. Oh, that Elmer's glue. He's so funny. The bald baby. You ask, what do I do in the night? I fight crime. Rawr.
You do not know the power of fighting crime.
Don't test me! Don't test me! Ah! I said don't test me! Yeah! Got her. I thought you didn't believe in hurting girls. What's done is done. Life, death, and taxes. And guess what? Justice tastes good. But most of all, my favorite thing is to sit around and be at home with my wonderful family, and Rue too sometimes. Hey guys, you want to hear a joke? I know a good one. Hey guys, thanks for watching A Day in Scraps from me, Scraps the Dapple. Make sure to subscribe, vote on YouTube, and go to classybirdvlogs.com. Bye, guys. Bye, all my friends. You're my friends. Bye. Bye-bye.
Go get the stick. Oh, now you go get the stick.